Connect the hose connector to one end of the exhaust hose. Connect the window kit adapter to the other end. Insert the butterfly bolt into the adjustable window kit. Flip the window kit over, then place the flat washer. Place the nut. Note: do not tighten the butterfly screw at this step. Extend the adjustable window kit to fit your window and tighten the screws. Note: if the panel is too long, you can cut it to fit your window. Connect the exhaust hose to the window kit. Close the window to secure the kit. Use duct tape if needed and seal any gaps around the adapter for best efficiency. Attach the hose connector to the unit's exhaust outlet. Adjust the air outlet louver and turn on the unit. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the mode button to select a mode. There are 4 modes in total. In the dry mode, you should connect the hose to the drain outlet at the bottom of the unit. The fan speed is automatically set to low and cannot be adjusted. In the fan mode, cooling is not available. You can press the speed button to select the desired fan speed. During the cool mode, you can adjust the temperature by using the up and down buttons. Press the speed button to switch the fan speed between high and low. Adjust the air direction by hand if needed. Press the sleep button to enter the sleep mode. Note: the sleep mode is available in cool mode only. The buzzer will be muted during sleep mode. Press the sleep button again to exit the sleep mode. Long press the lock button. The corresponding indicator lights up and all other function buttons will be invalid. Long press the lock button to exit this mode. When the unit is on, press the timer button to set the off timer. Use the up and down buttons to set between 1 to 24 hours. To cancel, press the up and down buttons until 0 shows on the display. When the unit is off, you can set or cancel the on timer in the same way. You can also set the desired operation mode and fan speed in advance. The remote control operates the same as the control panel, but also includes a Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion button. You can press this button to select your desired temperature unit. There are 2 ways of water drainage. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the drain plug at the bottom of the unit to let water flow out. After drainage, replace the drain plug. The other way is to remove the water outlet plug at the back of the unit. Connect the drain hose securely and make sure it's not kinked so water can flow freely. After draining, remove the drain hose and replace the plug. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the air filter. Then use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust. Rinse the filter under running water. Let it dry completely before reinstalling.